Hello people, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be having a cook with me video and I'll be making a very simple easy recipe. Today I'll be making fish pepper soup. This is very easy to make and I tell you it is very delicious. So I started by adding water to the pot. Now I'm adding the fish and I'll just add up all the fish and allow it to boil with the water. The amazing thing about fish pepper soup is you can use any fish of your choice. So people, at this point in time, it is time to allow the fish to boil, cover the pot and allow it to cook. You can see our fish is cooking already. So next I'll be adding ingredients. This is pepper, red chili pepper, salt, at this point in time you can season it to your own taste. Now I'm adding seasoning cube. Everything is boiling together and I'm super excited because this is very good for the weather. So wow, look at this. Our fish pepper soup is taking its form already. So now I'm adding crayfish. If you don't like crayfish, you can skip this part, but me, I like crayfish, so I'm adding crayfish. So now I just added blended garlic, onions, and ginger. Oh my goodness, I love this. I mean, this will give the fish pepper soup an amazing taste and flavor. So we just added blended onions, ginger, and garlic. This is very important. And you know, it cleans the body. So I love this in my pepper soup. Now we are going to be adding the pepper soup spice itself. So this is well blended pepper soup spice, So I'm adding the pepper soup spice. This is like the major ingredients to this pepper soup recipe. Now I'm adding my vegetable. This is a very medicinal vegetable. I have two vegetables here. I have utazi and uziza leaf. I don't know what they are called in English, but It's a traditional leaf in Nigeria, utazi and uziza leaf. It kind of tastes bitter, but it's very good. It cleans the body, the system, and I love it in my pepper soup. So people, at this point in time, as pepper soup is almost ready, I'm just going to allow it to all boil together, cook properly, all the ingredients mixed up together, and we'll be having delicious pepper soup. Check out what is going on here. Our pepper soup, oh my goodness, this is looking yummy. The aroma at this point in time, oh my god. The aroma have taken the whole of my kitchen already. At this point in time, our pepper soup is as good as ready. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. Yummy, come and eat with me, join me friends. Oh my goodness, this is super amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch up with you all in my next video. Like this video, share this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Let us enjoy this food together. Yummy. Yummy. Subscribe guys. Bye.